How to fix the error, memory missing on indicated cartridges, event code 10.00.10. This error occurs when you replace a new cartridge without an ink chip attached, or you install the wrong chip, install it in the wrong position. Take the cartridge outside and check the position of the ink chip. The error in this video is because the cartridge has not attached the ink chip when replacing a new cartridge no chip. Please take advantage of the ink chip from the old cartridge that has just been removed from the printer. When reassembling, pay attention to the direction of the chip as in the video. Be careful because the ink chip is very fragile. It's okay like this. Now insert the cartridge into the printer and see the results. The printer screen shows the word "Ready" as success. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share video. Watch many of the latest shared videos from TechFix Printer and Copy.